In this video, I'm going to show you how to mention someone on Instagram story. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Instagram app and then right here at the top left hand corner, tap at plus sign to start creating a story. Now you can select any picture from your camera roll, or you can take a picture using your camera, and then once you have added a picture here, you can mention someone in two different ways, and I'll show you the both. The first way is to hit right here at a text, and then first you have to enter add symbol and then just start typing someone's name. Here you can see suggested persons, and from here you can just tap on someone's profile picture to add that username to your mention. Now you can hit done, and then you can move around that mention to wherever you want. And the second way is to tap at that stickers icon, and from here select mention sticker. Just tap there where it says mention, and in the same way start typing someone's username, and then here you can select a user from suggested. Also, you can move around that sticker, you can change its position, you can scale it, both of the stickers, and do whatever you want. And now also you can edit that story in the way you like. You can add here some filters, or you can add there another sticker or whatever you want. And once you're ready, just hit right here at arrow icon and then share that story with your followers. I hope it helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.